Today unboxing is on the Tomica Limited Vintage Neo, the Hino truck, and that's the KB324. This was released this week, and I consider this as a reissue with the previous release in blue. There are a total of 4 variants for this truck over the years. The very first one in grey was my very first TLV, which I bought back in Japan in 2013, followed by this blue variant, the green version which was the third release, and this latest release in red. Very highly detailed casting and it's nostalgic, that fits the bill. It's a special painted series by TLV, hence Tomica released the latest version. For collectors who has missed out this casting, just bear in mind, you have to be very careful with this casting, it's extremely fragile. Don't be like me who break this truck. I was too excited, I held it the wrong way, and I break the plastic immediately after I purchased it. I never glue it because I want to remind myself not to make this mistake again. And now let's take a closer look at the latest release Hino truck in red. You have to install the side mirror yourself with a user mounting part included. Behind, an actual photo with the truck with the specification in 1:64. The crates are also included without the minifig this time. Whole casting is enclosed in a blister, and be very careful not to break the fragile parts. Remove the casting from the blister by holding on to the rear. It's exactly the same as the very first release, just that it's in different color variant. The highlight is definitely on the front with realistic lighting. Love the two-tone color combination and also the nostalgic design on the truck. Details for the interior is very appealing with colored seats. These fine details are the reason why I collect TLV. Realistic wheel set that rolls extremely well. The flatbed is very spacious. Definitely no problem to fit in a 164 pickup. Painted rear lights, which is a bit of disappointment for me. Very detailed base and it's very stunning. No shortcut for the spare wheels and the details are very intricate. Details are just fabulous with very fragile parts. The white and blue Hino truck is the only truck with the Hino logo on the crates, and also a minifig, plenty of rooms for the crates. The truck is stunning with fantastic details, which will look very cool in die-cast photography. Although the release between these two castings are several years apart, they pass extremely well in red and blue variant, and I'm very happy to add another Hino truck into my collection. Stay tuned for more TLV unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!